Hello everyone, I'm Kyla and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about my classic mini Chanel flap in caviar leather that I have right here. I've had this bag for years now and it is due for cleaning, so I figured why not take you guys with me on how I actually clean up my bags. I would love to say I do this regularly, but I really don't. This bag has not been cleaned in over a year now, so it is extremely dirty. So it's primed and ready for this video. I hope you find it useful, and I'll be going through a little bit about the bag as well and how I use it on a day-to-day basis. And you know, if you're thinking of getting this bag, I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. It comes with one giant pocket here and one slit pocket at the back. I'll just go through a little bit about the anatomy of this bag so that, you know, if you're interested in getting, then you actually kind of know, like, you know, what's up. So there's a little zipper pocket here that I never use ever. Quite frankly, I really just dump everything into this big compartment. So the leather inside is not like, you know, those supple leather whereby, you know, you'll get scratched or anything. So you don't really have to be too careful. When I use this bag, I'm actually not careful at all. It is one of my most durable bags, to be honest. So it is in the caviar leather and it has a slip pocket at the back as well. So for the mini flap, it only comes in a single chain, like you can see here. So what I actually do if I want to shorten this chain is I actually open up the bag and then I pull this bottom piece in and the other side as well. So depending on the length that I want it in, then I just get a ribbon. Okay, you can see that the shoulder drop has changed significantly from its original. So you can actually go really short with this, like so. So it can be like a little hand carry bag if you want. So when you look on the inside, all I did was essentially just tie up the bottom part like that and then just chuck the rest of the strap into the bag here. So if you're doing this, try not to fill the bag too much because the chain would actually rub against the side and you just don't want to risk any indentation marks. So yeah, just try to be really careful when you are doing this in any event that you are trying to shorten the strap. So that's just how I, you know, try to make it a little bit more versatile in terms of like the shoulder strap, because if you're just using it like this, you can't do much with it. Okay, so how do I clean this bag? I have here baby wipes. One of the many perks of having children is a never-ending supply of wipes. So when you're using a wipe, try to get one, get one with no alcohol, because alcohol will really damage your bag. Alcohol, hand cream, sanitizers, don't let any of that touch your leather bags because it would really do a number on your bags. So here, as you can see, there are little spots here. Who knows what that could be, but all you just have to do is just rub it off. So in the beginning, when I first got this bag, I kind of babied it a little bit more. So every time I got home, I would wipe it down, put it back, put like there was a little flap thing that came with it. Now, who knows where I chucked it. So I used to be very diligent when I first got it, and now it has all gone with the wind because I've seen how durable this bag can actually be. So I just don't really take care of it, and it has been holding up pretty nicely, so fingers crossed. If you clean it regularly, you can just use a soft microfiber cloth to clean your bags. You don't have to use a baby wipe at all. So of course, over the years, the shine has kind of worn off a little bit from this. So I have here a leather cleaner, and all I have to do is just take a little bit of it. It's not much, I'm not sure if you can see, but yeah, just a very little bit, just to give the leather a little bit of shine back. So with any leather cleaner, always do a spot test first before, you know, just going at it. So definitely one of the biggest things that I have noticed in terms of like wear is that the shine has definitely diminished somewhat. As with, you know, your skin, if you think of like your leather as your skin, it needs hydration from time to time. If you don't take care of it, you don't hydrate your skin with creams and whatnots, then, you know, with time your skin will start to look like dull and old and saggy, which is why it's always good to give your leather a little dose of hydration from time to time, just to get it give it a little boost, a little hydration boost. I sound like I'm selling some kind of skincare here for like leathers, but yeah. Okay, so the leather cleaner that I got, it actually helps to like shine the metal portions as well. So when you are done with the overall bag, just give the strap a good rub down as well. Okay, so we are done cleaning up the bag. So as you can see, it is a little bit shinier now. I'm not sure if the camera is going to pick it up, but yes, with my eyes it is a little bit shinier now and much cleaner. There are no more like dirt spots at the bottom or even at the sides. I have no idea what those spots were, but this is the end product of my cleaning for the day. Here you can see the black stains all over, so all these were just from today. These other spots were from before, from who knows what I cleaned. But anyways, overall this bag is super convenient in terms of like its size. It fits a bunch of things. Like honestly, if I were to like leave my phone open, it can even fit here, so you know, you don't have to own like a flip phone in order for it to fit into this bag. It is not that tiny. It is not a micro bag, it is a mini bag, so it fits a bunch of things. The only thing that, you know, I would say some people find as a negative or a con would be the shoulder strap, you know, which could be easily rectified with a simple ribbon. So anyways, I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, bye.